Hey there. So rockets are basically controlled explosions that can carry humans to space, which sounds insane when you think about it. But the physics behind them is actually pretty elegant. In the next 2 minutes, we're going to break down exactly how rockets generate thrust, why they need multiple stages, and what it really takes to escape Earth's gravity. Let's dive in. So here's the fundamental principle: rockets work because of Newton's third law. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Inside a rocket engine, fuel and oxidizer combust at incredibly high temperatures, creating hot expanding gases. These gases shoot out the back at thousands of miles per hour, and that action pushes the rocket forward with equal force. It's like when you release air from a balloon and it flies around the room, except way more powerful and controlled. The key is that rockets carry their own oxygen supply, which is why they can work in the vacuum of space where there's nothing to push against. Now here's where the engineering gets clever. The combustion happens in a chamber where fuel and oxidizer mix and ignite continuously, creating temperatures around 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That superheated gas then flows through a specially shaped nozzle that accelerates it even faster, maximizing thrust. The nozzle design is actually critical because it converts thermal energy into kinetic energy efficiently. And this whole process has to happen smoothly and continuously, burning tons of fuel every second. For example, the Saturn V rocket burned 15 tons of fuel per second during liftoff. That's like draining an entire swimming pool in under a minute, all to generate the 7.5 million pounds of thrust needed to lift off. So what does this mean in practice? Well, here's the challenge: to reach orbit, you need to hit 17,500 miles per hour, which is called escape velocity. But carrying all that fuel makes your rocket incredibly heavy, which means you need even more fuel, which makes it heavier still. That's why rockets use staging. They drop empty fuel tanks as they go up, shedding weight so the remaining fuel can accelerate a lighter load. The Space Shuttle used solid rocket boosters that fell away after 2 minutes, then dropped its external tank before reaching orbit. It's basically a weight loss program happening at hypersonic speeds. So there you have it, rockets are all about Newton's third law, controlled combustion creating massive thrust, and clever staging to shed weight on the way up. Next time you watch a launch, you'll know exactly what's happening as that controlled explosion fights against gravity. Pretty amazing that we figured this out, right? Thanks for watching.